Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen, TGIF. It's been a long week for some, mostly Robin. I've been busy too, but Robin has had a very long week. Yeah. Last night, we were here in America, in my kitchen, where I tried something totally new. Bulgogi sausage meatloaf and a potato dish and a carrot dish. Both are from France. Um, if I could give it an extra star in the library in my software, it gets 6 stars instead of 5. Definitely on a repeat list. It's very good, and I'm sorry to say it is only in ingredient form at this time. If you know how to make a meatloaf, you can make this. It's easy, but just a lot of ingredients, but it all comes together and yummy. Yeah, try it. Try it my way first, then you can play with it. Today is a culinary expedition night. We're going to Cape Verde, also known as Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde is the old-ish name. I'm making a Portuguese rice dish. The Portuguese had high influence in this set of islands. And I'm just going to call it by the short name, Jag, J-A-G. That's what they call it. This is a staple in Cape Verde. Let's get to it. We got some linguiça. Obviously, rice for a rice dish. Yellow onion. This will be half slice. I'm going to caramelize the onion with a little bit of butter and some oil and some help of some sugar. Lima beans. Lima beans twice in 2 weeks. Chicken stock, tomato paste, just a splash or two of white cooking wine, good old garlic, just a little bit of cumin, a little bit of smoked paprika. We'll be using white pepper today instead of black, kosher salt, and our old friend, the bay leaf. Any good food plans for the weekend? We got stuff going on here. We always do. So, on this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.